Plaintiff Katie Selko is suing her ex-boyfriend for harassment and slander. Katie says she and the defendant began having sex when Katie was 14, and the defendant moved into her family's home. Katie says the defendant lied about Katie egging his car and then threatened to kill Katie and her brother. Defendant Matthew Bishop claims that without the Selkos, he would not have graduated from high school, and Katie did egg his car. Matthew's countersuing for slander and emotional distress because he claims Katie harasses him and his wife, and Katie constantly lies to people about Matt cheating with her.
Remain standing. The Honorable Judge Jeanine Pirro presiding. Please be seated.
All right, the plaintiff is suing her ex-boyfriend for harassment and slander. Matthew is countersuing his ex-girlfriend for lost wages, slander, and emotional distress. Katie, state your case.
First, I met Matt in high school. We started dating in March. His at-home living situation with his mother wasn't that great, so he moved in and shared a room with my brother.
He moved in with your family?
Yes, ma'am. My mother, father, and my younger brother, Eddie.
Eddie, okay.
I broke up with him in March, and he dated a few girls after that. I dated one gentleman, and he got mad. He didn't like that.
Yes, Matt.
The gentleman was 25 years old, Your Honor.
You were dating a 25-year-old?
Yes, ma'am. I was 17.
How old were you?
17.
How old were you when you moved into their house?
I was 16, Your Honor.
All right. And how old were you when he moved in?
14.
And why did you move into their house?
My mother had a very bad problem with substance abuse, drinking and alcohol and drugs. And their family took me in, and I'm very grateful for what they did.
When you move into the house, where are you sleeping?
I shared a room with her brother, Eddie.
With Eddie. Okay. And who did you have a relationship with first?
With Katie. I was dating Katie at the time.
Okay, so your boyfriend, girlfriend at the time he moves in?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And at some point, Mom, are you monitoring what's going on in the house?
Oh, yes, I was.
All right, so go ahead.
I was dating an older guy.
What does dating mean?
We went out, hung out together, had sex once.
First of all, when someone says they had sex once, I don't believe them.
Honestly, ma'am, It was once.
Why was it once?
Because I was 17.
Oh, you let age get in the way?
Yes, ma'am. It's not
Is
something
this
I'm
guy
proud
in
of.
jail?
No.
Your Honor, it was also her boss.
So 25-year-old boss is having sex with a 17-year-old employee.
Yes, ma'am.
It sounds like something that might be criminal to me, or at the very least.
My father pressed charges on him.
Ah, see? Yes.
The day she turned 18, she dropped the charges, and I called her back over at his apartment.
Is it why? Did you drop the charges?
I did not drop the charges. The state said that there was not enough evidence against him.
You know why there wasn't enough evidence against him? Because you didn't want to testify. That's why. I've handled these statutory rape cases, all right? What they involve are predators who want to have sex with minors. You were a minor, and because you were infatuated with this guy or because you wanted a job, you end up saying you're not going to testify because I'm hooking up with him at the age of 18. Don't lie to me.
I'm not lying, ma'am.
Well, then why are you back with him when you're 18?
I didn't get back with him after I turned 18. I dropped the restraining order the week after I turned 18.
Same difference. Where were you sleeping when you were at that house?
I slept with Eddie in his bedroom.
And you're dating her. You know she's having sex with a 25-year-old. You telling me you're not having sex with her in that house?
Yes, we were still having sex.
But you weren't sleeping together. So you'd have sex and go to the other room.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Mom, stand up. He's having sex with her. You know that, right?
Not in the beginning, he didn't.
When did they have a sexual relationship, Mom?
July 22nd, 2003.
Okay. How old were you then on July 22nd?
14.
14 having sex?
Yes, ma'am. And he was 15.
He was 15. Okay. Now that's not considered statutory rape for you in this courtroom, just so you know, because of the age, because they're close enough in age that most states recognize that when boyfriends and girlfriends get together at this age. So they're going to say, we as a state are going to pull out of this because Mom should be on top of this. Right, Mom?
Yes.
It was protective sex. It's not like
I don't care if it was protected sex.
It's not like it was senseless sex.
Sex is sex. You're not supposed to be having sex at 14. You're not. You too.
I understand, Your Honor.
Sit down, Mom. All right. Now, what are you suing him for?
Harassment and slander.
Slander?
And distress.
Tell me how he slandered you.
I cannot go to Walmart where he works without him getting mad.
They live less than 2 miles from another Walmart. My Walmart's a lot further than the one they live by.
So she wants to come to your Walmart. Why do you think she wants to come to your Walmart?
Just to see if I'm working and just to make me worry.
About what? What do you have to worry about?
On several occasions, my cars were vandalized.
Matt, back up. What happened? You two were boyfriend, girlfriend.
We broke up on February 3rd.
Of what year?
Of 06. I still lived with them until May. Until when I graduated high school, I moved out. And at that time, I was dating another young lady that I'm now married to.
Oh, you're married now?
Yes, ma'am.
So why are you still going to his Walmart?
Because I was at my friend Janie's house the day I went there, and his mom asked me to take Janie to that Walmart to get her father something for Father's Day.
Are you still connected to him some way?
I don't give a crap about him. Honestly, that is the honest to God's truth. I don't care about him. I would be more than happy to be able to go to the mall and walk past him at the mall, not have eye contact, and not have a problem with it.
Why do you think she's going to your Walmart?
Just to basically get me worried that she may do something to my car.
Why would you think that?
2 occasions my car was vandalized. On one occasion it was egged.
Egged?
And, yes.
Like with raw eggs?
Yes. 1:30 in the morning, a black Mustang pulled up next to my car and egged it. The Bradenton PD could not prosecute her with charges because they could not physically see her face on the videotape.
Do you have a black Mustang?
Yes, ma'am, I do own a black Mustang.
Did you egg his car?
No, ma'am, I did not.
Why do you think she would egg your car?
Because I believe she wants to know why I never married her, why I didn't do things for her like I do for my wife. I feel she has a grudge and just a way to get back at me.
Mom, what's going on here? Stand up.
I really feel that Matt is upset because Katie here is not boo-hooing in her pillow at night because Matt's married. Matt got married. All the ex-girlfriends in Matt's life have moved on, even Katie. But Matt wants them to be in mourning for him because he's now married. We could really care less.
But see, here's the problem. It's not her car that's getting egged. It's his car that's getting egged.
Katie was with me the night that his car got egged and with my friends.
I'm 20 years old, ma'am. I would not waste time egging his car just to cause him problems. That's not what, I wouldn't do that.
Have you moved on?
Yes, I have a fabulous boyfriend who I love.
All right. What happens?
She came to my wife's work with her and 2 of her friends, and they spent 45 minutes to buy a bottle of soda, and which at that time I was on my way up to CVS to see my wife. Katie happened to be in the store. Momentarily, we both leave at the same time. I go one way, she goes one way. I get back to my brother. Her little brother is calling me, asking me why I tried to run his sister off the road.
This brother?
Yes, ma'am.
Stand up. Now, is what he's saying true?
No.
Okay, and your name?
Edward.
All right, Edward. What happened at the drugstore?
My sister calls me up. Don't remember what time it was. It was around night. She said she went to the drugstore to go get candy with her friends, not knowing that Callie worked there. When she got there, she realized...
Callie's your wife?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
When she got there, she realized Callie worked there. Then she calls me back. Matt's there. Matt showed up. I then walked in the store.
How did you know to even go there?
She called me and told me that he was there.
And what did she say to you when she called you?
She told me that Matt was there and there was going to be problems. And then she called me back and told me that he ran his car right next to hers, wouldn't let her leave the parking lot, rolled down his window, flipped her the finger, cussed at her, and then he sped off.
Was this before you got there?
This was before I got there.
He went there after Matt called Eddie and told Eddie if he ever saw me or another member of my family again, he was going to shoot us in the head.
Whoa. When did he allegedly do this?
About 5 minutes before I went up to
as I was
CVS.
leaving.
Is this before or after the car that runs?
After. Eddie went to CVS
Wait a
after.
minute. We've got a car. His car.
Yes,
okay. He does what with the car to you?
Pulls up next to me, rolls his
Are you on foot or in a car?
I had gotten into my car and locked
So
the door.
he's in a car, you're in the black Mustang, I'll bet.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. And then what happens?
I went to leave and I was waiting for Matt to leave so he wouldn't follow me back to Janie's house. I called my mom and told my mom what had happened.
Mom, what did she say to you?
She said that Matt was up there and she didn't know if there was going to be a problem because she was afraid he wasn't going to let her leave the parking lot.
Where was she when she made this call to you?
In her car.
In her
parking lot.
In the parking lot.
Why didn't you just drive off?
I was leaving as I called
It's not like he doesn't know where you live. Talk to me.
I
Sit
never
down,
tried to
witnesses.
block her car in.
You did or didn't?
I did not. I pulled and I left CVS to go pick up my nephew. When I came back, I did my shopping. When I left CVS, Eddie came walking in. I had a nephew and a bag of groceries in my hands, in my arms.
Did you know she was in CVS
No,
when you
I
got
did not
there?
know.
Did your wife call you and say
No,
your
she
old
did not.
girlfriend's here?
No, she did not.
So you just are shocked when you see her in
Yes, I saw her black Mustang. When I was approaching
All
out
right,
of the...
is there a police report here?
No.
The police did show up, but there was no report involved.
I wasn't given...
Hogwash. The police don't show up and don't
Honestly,
do a
yes,
report.
there was no report involved.
What do the police do? What do they say?
They made me call my sister-in-law to come get her nephew because the fact that Eddie said I threatened to put a bullet in his head.
Did you?
No, I did not.
Yes, he did, Your Honor.
Why is he saying this?
I don't know, Your Honor.
So what are you saying? You're saying that he threatened you in the car?
He called my brother and threatened me.
But that was after?
Yes, that was after.
That's after the two of you were in your cars?
Yes.
Who leaves first?
He sped off and I left.
Here's my suggestion. My suggestion is that this is out of control. In the beginning it was kind of interesting, but now it's out of control. Now, Katie, I'm going to go to you first.
Yes, ma'am.
You are suing for defamation because you believe that his saying that you egged his car is slander, and you believe he's harassing you.
Yes,
is that
ma'am.
correct?
Yes.
All right. Are you suing her for slander? Why? What did she say about you?
She tells people that I've cheated on my wife with her.
With her?
Yes, ma'am, after I've been
Have
married.
you?
No, I have not. I love my
Yes,
wife.
he did, ma'am.
I love my wife to death.
Oh, I'm sure you do. All men do. Okay. Where did this happen? Where did this happen?
After we moved in, he came to see the new house because we tried to maintain a friendship after we broke up. And we hooked up.
You knew he was married?
Yeah.
Do you feel bad about that?
No.
I didn't think you did. Mom, why are you letting your daughter sleep with her boyfriend in your house? Who else knew about this?
My husband, my family, we knew it. Because they were going to do it anyway, so.
I genuinely loved Matt when we were together. We had an amazing relationship.
They were good.
You still love him.
No, I don't.
That's what's going on here.
No, I don't.
We want what's best for him, but we want it to stop.
All right.
We just want it to stop.
Why are you suing her for lost wages?
Because I'm missing work today.
All right. What's the emotional distress for?
She harasses my wife. My wife takes that on me, and just the stress. She comes up to Walmart, and then I have to get worried about something happening to my vehicles.
All right. By the way, Katie, in your complaint, you say, everyone at school knew I was sleeping with Matt and I didn't care that I earned the title of slut.
No, I didn't. I don't care.
Anyone who says to the court, I earned the title of slut, and then says I was defamed because he said I egged his car is out of her mind. All right? So you're not going to get any money for that. I'm not going to allow you to recover any money for harassment because harassment is criminal. It is not civil. All right? Now, the slander of you're sleeping with her, I don't know who slept with who. All right? She's saying that she slept with you after you were married. You're saying you didn't. I don't know where the truth is. And as far as I'm concerned, in order for me to allow you to recover, I have to believe your side. You're not recovering for lost wages or slander or emotional distress. Nobody wins. So ordered.
I want you to just leave me alone. Just move on with your life.
I'm married. I've moved on. You got different boyfriends every other
Got married
week.
despite her.
No, and you didn't. You still.
You asked my brother to be in your wedding.